Welcome to the Fabulous Marketer Show, Season 1, Episode 6. Welcome back, Fabulous Marketers. Today is Episode 6 of the Fabulous Marketer Show, and we are deep in the funnel flow. We're talking all about writing your email mini-series, the secret sauce between your bridge page and your full-on conversion. Whether you're a builder, promoter, teacher, or automator, you'll walk away from this with a plug and play strategy for 3 to 5 high impact emails that turn cold leads into warmed up buyers. If your funnel is leaking, 9 times out of 10, it's your emails. That's today's freedom fix. No follow up equals no trust, and no trust equals no sales. The average customer sees an offer 7 to 21 times before converting, and most affiliate funnels only show it once. That first click, that's it. Whenever someone first clicks on a link, then affiliate funnels shows the offer, and then you'll never see it again. That's why today we're fixing the gap. All right, let's get into our next segment, which is our fleet insight of the day. Your emails should match your marketing style. Remember that. If you're a promoter, then promoters send energy-filled, punchy emails. Builders create relationship bridges. Teachers explain. Automators trigger. Here's what that looks like across your mini series. So, for example, if you're a promoter, then your email focus might say something like hype and hook, or it may focus on something that's is in relation to a hook, or hype. Now you're not being hypey because we don't do things like that, right? We don't do like hype marketing, but promoters um, have high energy efforts in their hooks that might seem to be a little bit hypey, but it's not really hype. It's just high energy, feel punchy hooks that they're throwing out to just capture the attention of their audience. Another focal point for a promoter would be telling a story and doing it with excitement. So we would say this is like the story and excitement focus. And then the final focus of a promoter would be a direct offer, getting straight to the point. As far as a builder, the first focus would be a personal story, and a second focus would be a soft teaching point. And then thirdly, they can build a trust bridge as a builder, or you can build a trust bridge, that is. Now, when it comes to teachers, teachers can provide insight and value as a first focus. A second focus, lean on lessons and application. And then the final focus is a soft ask. Just ask. Do it softly though. Now, the automator. An automator can first focus on data and proof in their email. Their second email focus could be a highlight of a tool. And then finally, a third email focus can be a call to action and a timer. All right. So let's go to our next segment of today's episode, and that would be our Coach's Corner. Okay, so in reference to our Coach's Corner, I want to talk about the email nurture and the tech stack and funnel setup inside your vault today, and that is our resource vault inside of the Fabulous Marketer Academy. When you go into resources, you get a full 3 email nurture sequence starter pack that we provide you with. Um, the value of this is that this starter pack is actually specific for each persona, regardless if you're a builder, automator, teacher, um, or a promoter. It doesn't matter. You will get this 3 email nurture sequence starter pack. It includes openers, closers, prompts, and subject lines. You'll also get tech recommendations in the tech stack guide, plus a full funnel setup guide so you can connect your emails to your capture page. No mystery, it's all about execution. All right, segment 6. Let's see what we have next. Let's talk about our resource vault drops. Okay. This vault drop reveal has to do with 3 different categories of resource vaults. We're gonna have something for show episodes, which is the core resource vault for this particular episodes. We'll have something inside of the bonus courses vault and something for the Freedom 1K coaching vault. So as far as the show episodes vault, you can expect a funnel type matrix. All right, it's in the form of a Google Sheet and our Google Doc, but you'll have this funnel type matrix that you can utilize. And then, as far as what's in the bonus courses vault, you'll get that's the email copy starter pack that I mentioned. That's by persona, and then you also get the funnel setup guide, which provides you with tech connections and examples that you can use. Then in the Freedom 1K coaching vault, you'll get the ESTAGE setup guide for funnels plus email. And then you'll get a tech stack guide with recommendations that's similar to the funnel setup guide, but this is just strictly just tech recommendations for that we just call the tech stack guide. So it's just helpful software technologies that you can utilize and create a stack of these technologies and follow the guide. And then by using these, it'll help you with the process of building out your funnels and growing the value and the strength of your business hub. All right, so let's talk about what action needs to take place at this point. Right now, you want to download the email mini series starter pack that I mentioned. That's the key. Download this starter pack and then get to work. Customize the 3 uh, emails that you'll find within that starter pack. All right, there are 3 simple emails that you'll be able to customize for yourself, with your liking, that is. Drop these emails into your system. All right, and then if you don't have a system yet, each stage has a free 2 week trial that you can take advantage of, and during that trial period, we'll show you how to build it this week. All right, so your links are inside your resource vault, inside the Fabulous Marketer Academy. So get access to those emails, drop them into your funnel system inside of your hub, your eStage hub, and then whatever help you may need, we can help you inside the Fabulous Marketer Academy community. All right. So what's next? Now that we are wrapping episode 6 up of the Fabulous Marketer Show, let's talk about episode 7 for a second. By the way, the episode replay will be available inside of the community dashboard. And don't forget, the vault resources are currently live in the community. But tomorrow, which is episode 7, whenever you get to it, all right. Hopefully, you're watching it tomorrow. But we're going to talk about launching your content engine. Okay, so that's exciting. Remember, we in episode 5 we talked about building out your 1K funnel. Today, episode 6, we talked about writing your email sequence, your 3 email sequence. We call it your nurture sequence. And now we want to start getting into your content engine, and you getting started launching that content engine, and getting some eyeballs on your pages on your hub, getting into your funnels, gaining access to the value that you have to offer. But it all starts with launching your content engine and then putting that engine to work for your business. All right, so that is it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in episode 7. Remember to keep your marketing simple, fun, and free. Be fabulous.